my most comfortable dog.
It was pretty comfortable.
Churchy, are you comfortable? No. I'm getting tension. Oh yeah, that's cool. You're gonna crick in your ass if you keep playing like that. Your throat.
Show us his big vicious teeth. Are you a big vicious dog, Church?
Yep.
Are you a vicious Doberman?
I'll tell you, somebody comes breaking his house right now, he's gonna be all over him.
That's a vicious breed right there. See that face? Vicious breed. Look at that. He's just winking at you.
I bet I can hang clothes on your chest.
Sam, you sat right on Church's face.
He's like, well, he wouldn't move.
You sat right on Church's face, Sam.
My dog said, I told him, I said, you can't get in this chair with me. He said, yes, I can.
He stuck his butt